And I am picking and choosing the charms from this 2 section right here. I'm adding the no wipe top coat floating right on the top, so when you finish, your nails not only completely finished, you don't have to worry about going back and getting your top coat all around the cuticle or the crystal, or maybe accidentally get on the top of the crystal. So that's why we're doing it first, to completely seals and finish, no tacky layer. And also it's going to give it a double secure and double bonding on the nails, on the crystal with the nails plates. So I'm gonna pick up this from here, but I'm putting a tray here. Give it a good, like a pressure down, so then it's anchored down to the condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat. You can move this one. Much better. I'll put the SS like 10 on the side. And you can stop right here if you prefer. If you want to add some more crystal, you can also do as well. I love this kit. It's had a lot of crystal and centerpiece, metal centerpiece, and the exquisite shape. Okay, you can add some beads on, and I love about this too, it had all different color of the beads. So I'm gonna put the silver on, but if you want gold beads or rose gold beads, you can definitely do that as well. How's you ladies gonna do tomorrow for Mother's Day? You just like take it easy, or just like having a party at home? So what are you doing? What's a plan for tomorrow? I just want to create this really cute simple nail, so just in case yours like busy, especially nail techs don't have time to take care of yourself because you will take care of everybody else, you can definitely create something cute and simple for your nails. One more bead. Yeah, you can add more if you prefer. So add some more right there. Or just in case your clients love this, you can definitely do this for your clients as well. And a lot of questions asked, how do I start with crystal designs? It's really simple. If you start with one of the basics, way to do, get the centerpiece first. Especially in this kit, it's already have a lot of centerpiece for you to work with. and then just use any of the SS or the exquisite shapes and connect them really close together. I can go on and on about it, like this one right here. I think something is cool, I'm gonna do that. But you can stop at any point. You do not have to go this dramatically. If you want, like, oh, it's too much, you can do less. Stop at any point. I think any point you stop is gonna look so cute anyway. But there are a lot of frames in this slot. I'm gonna cut this in half. Move this quick because we're just putting it right here. Actually, I like this design a lot. Super cute. I'm just cutting it. Oh, using the clipper. You can do this way, or you can do reverse, like the frames can be reversed the other way. Either way, whatever way you would like. You can make the arch like this, or you can make it reversed. All right, happy with this? We're going to cue this for 60 seconds.